Good morning, traders. This is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we have had a second daily close above the 3400 level, and you can see the significance there of swing highs here. We rejected it here, and we were rejecting it. Now we're back above it. So if we just scroll more to the right, there's nothing more to the right. That was the previous high. So at the moment, that is, well, it bodes very well for a move at least up to that area there, which is 35.37. That's a Brooks gap up there. So that is the next target. 34.65 is the measured move that's been hit already. There's something else which I think is fairly interesting at the moment, and that's this trend line. So you can see I've taken it from the top of this candle, and then you can see where all the touches are on it. We had one little squirt below there. We found support here, then we broke through it, and we've been rejecting it, and we've been quite a few days that we've rejected it. Now we're back into, well, back above that trend line. That trend line is pretty much a channel. Okay, so we're back in the channel. As far as I'm concerned, this is onwards and upwards, and that's what we should be trading. So just coming down to the 3 hour, you'll see it was a little bit shaky. Well, actually quite a bit shaky yesterday. It was just really going into close, which it accelerated away. And now what I want to do is I want to keep that trend line intact. We'd obviously want to see this diagonal being tested, since it's been holding up price for quite some time. So that's the first thing. This 3403 can be adjusted to that area there, which we were battling with quite extensively yesterday. And then there's one more that I just want to put in here, which is this swing high here, because that's something else that we were utilizing yesterday as resistance. Okay, right, so there you can see, and we can actually just fine tune that onto there. So most of yesterday it was just up and down, forming a flat top triangle. Took pretty much the whole day to break through between these two levels. So the key thing is that 34.20 held, and we are now above 34.44, 34.45. And now what I want to see is first pullback, we are buying again. Okay, so it's been buy all week, and that's pretty much the narrative for today again as well. So for me, it's onto the 15-minute chart. I would like to see us come back down here onto 34.45. Might not get there. If you look at what's happened most of the week, we've been maintaining this moving average all the time. So we'll just wait and see what transpires. What you can do is just use a block for this little range break here. You can use that for structure as well on the 15-minute, but just wait for Europe to open, and then you'll see if you break below this level here, then you're going to be coming down to the bottom here, and that's going to be a buy zone. If you fail to break below this level here, then you're probably going to be able to buy in this area as well. But as I say, just wait for Europe open. That'll give you a clear indication of which way we're going. Okay, but for me, this is onwards and upwards. There's, I can scroll far to the left here. Just go to the 8 hour here. There you go. So you can see we're taking profit here on this tail here, and then there's another area of congestion right over here, which is 34.90. That's more than likely a possible target for today. Okay, so yeah, that's my view at the moment. First pullback, we are long again. We are quite far from the moving average at the moment, so obviously I'd prefer to see it coming down. And it is Friday, so normally you get some profit taking on Fridays as well. But I still think we're gonna move. Either going into the close with the buyers are going to come in, or it'll be early and then taking profit at a higher level, driving it down a little bit, getting ready for a decent entry for next week. Okay, Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.